So this is the GoPro Light Mod, and it comes with this little diffuser that just slots straight on the front there, and what that does is soften the light so it makes it more pleasing on the face. You see, without it, it's going to be hard light and it's even brighter. So this actually spreads the light out more, so it's softer, and it's got these 3 different brightness settings and then flashing. So the flashing mode is good if you're underwater. So if you need to signal someone else. This is actually a waterproof light, which means that it has great use. So even if you're recording underwater, you'll be able to see as well with it. So if you're scuba diving. So if you need a boost to power, a brief boost, you can double press on the top, and then it goes into a high power mode, which lasts for 30 seconds. So if you've got something like the Creator Edition, then this goes on the Media Mod. It slots in one of the cold shoe mounts on the top or on the side, and then you can use that when you're vlogging, etc., to light you up very, very nicely. It's fully rechargeable, and it has a little switch here that you pull down this, and then it opens the flap, which is protected just like the GoPro Hero camera is to keep it waterproof. This is a seal, so when it's open, obviously it's no longer waterproof, but that is how you recharge the internal battery inside. So it's got a USB-C port there, and then you can close that up, hear it click, and then you're good to go again. So the GoPro Light Mod, it's very compact, but it does put out quite a lot of light. You'd be surprised. I've got 3 of them now because I like to have a bunch just on different setups, and somehow I've just ended up with them.